I'm just a fiber, but not just any fiber. I could have started in a field of cotton. Organic, regenerative, grown under a sun that gives more than it takes. Maybe I was part of a plastic bottle once, tossed aside, now given a second life. Or spun from eucalyptus trees in a forest that's still standing. I don't always know where I begin, but I always know where I'm going. Because I was chosen. Not every fiber gets that chance. Sapphire Textiles saw something in me, something worth caring for. Before I ever became fabric, I passed through hands that believed in better. Hands strengthened by opportunity, shaped by care, and guided by purpose. I was spun with intention, dyed with care, washed in systems that saved thousands of liters of water. Moved through processes powered by solar, wind, and dreams of net zero. I carry a story. A complete one. You can trace every step I've taken, every transformation I've gone through. Not just where I was made, but how. Because when you are part of something this responsible, there's nothing to hide. I was tested for strength, for precision, for conscience. And when I was ready, I became part of something bigger. Textiles that last longer. Partnerships that build trust. Products made to perform, not pollute. And now, I'm here, in your hands. Not just finer, but smarter. Not just stitched, but sustained. I am now more than just a fiber. I became a promise made visible. Shaped by innovation. Bound by responsibility. Built to last. I am Sapphire Textile Mills.